Hi everyone, Louis here, and he's going to tell us how to do 24 divided by 8.
Yeah.
So I've got 24 things here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Twice, and then plus 4.
Yeah.
How do you want to do this?
Can we keep on splitting the 24 in half and half and half?
Oh yeah, so this is a cool trick. So let's show them how to do this. So whenever you have 8 divided by 8, you can just split it in half 3 times in a row, right?
Yeah.
So let's do it really quickly for them, and then we'll show them what it looks like here, okay? So you go 24 divided by 2.
Which is 12.
And then divided by 2.
Which is 6.
And then divided by 2.
Which is 3.
Okay, so the answer is actually 3. But what you did was you split this thing 24 into 8 equal groups.
Yeah.
So let's show them. So here's the first time. So we're going to split this into 2. So I'm going to take 10. We're going to split into 2 equal groups to start off with. So there's 10, and I'll take 2, and I'll put them over here, and the same thing over here. So now you just split 24 into 2 equal groups to get 12.
Yeah.
Now split this into each 12, you cut that one in half too, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do you get?
So you get 6.
Okay, so there we go, and we're gonna go like this and like this. Okay, so we have 6. So here are our 4 equal groups, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But we need 8 equal groups.
Yeah.
So we do it again, right?
Yeah.
So what's 6 divided by 2?
6 divided by 2 would be 3.
Yeah, so I did that. So there's another one. Check this out. This is like super cool. So I'm taking each group of 6 and splitting it into 2. Now, check out how many groups you have.
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8 groups. So 24 into 8 equal groups
Equals 3.
because there's 3 in each group. That was awesome.
Thanks. Bye.
Hi everyone, Anna's here, and she's gonna tell us how to do 24 divided by 8. Now, some people like to think of 24 into 8 equal groups, but you're gonna show us how to figure out how many times 8 goes into 24, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how many groups of 8 equals 24?
Mm-hmm.
And so we're just gonna keep on bringing out groups of 8 until we get to 24, right?
Yeah.
So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna bring out our first group. So here we go.
That's one group of 8.
Yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And I'll put in my finger so I want to remember.
Well, and that's not enough, right? Like we still have to bring out more. So let's bring out another group of 8.
That's the second group of 8, which is 16. Group number 2.
Group number 2. And that's only 16, so that's not enough either.
Yeah, it's not enough.
So shall we bring out one more?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And
That's a third group. Or 20, wait. So 8 plus 16 is 24.
24. So that's where we stop, because that means that 3 groups of 8 equals 24. Now, can you see, Anna, because we brought them out this way and there's 24 and 12, but where's the 8? If you wanted to think of this and split it, because there's 32 here, how could you see the 8 equal groups? Where do you see them?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so let's see if I can draw lines here so that people can really see them. Okay, there we go, and I can draw them like the buckets that you guys often like and lots of people like. So there we go. There's your 8 equal groups if you want to think about splitting that into 8 equal groups. That was awesome, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.